What's that noise?
It's coming from the tunnel.
Ah! Ghost!
That doesn't look like a real ghost.
It looks like a train. But which train? Let's try and work out which train is the ghost. Paw Patrol, can you help us?
Of course, we can turn into Mighty Pups to help. Let's go!
Hi Marshall, please can you use your mighty heat to reveal the engine's buffers?
Yes, let's do it.
Ooh, red buffers. Who has red buffers? Oh, Thomas has red buffers. Let's see if it's him. Hello, Thomas. Oh, the ghost can't be you. You're here. Let's try and find another clue. Hello, Skye. Please can you use your Mighty Pups power to reveal another clue?
I can fly and land on top of the ghost and reveal the funnel.
Ooh, a black funnel. So the ghost has red buffers and a black funnel. Ooh, it could be Victor. Let's ask him. Hello, Victor. Oh, the ghost can't be you. You're here. Let's ask Rubble for another clue. Hello, Rubble. Please can you reveal another clue?
Yes, I can use my super strength to find out what colour the engine is.
Green. So the ghost has red buffers, a black funnel and green paint. Maybe it's Percy. Hi Percy. Oh, the ghost can't be you. You're here. We'll have to ask Zuma for another clue. Hi Zuma, please can you give us another clue?
Yes, I can. I can use water jets to reveal the train's face.
Ooh. But we still don't know who it is. Let's have a guess at Oliver. Oh, it can't be you, Oliver, because you're here. Oh, we're never going to know who it is.
Are you looking for a green engine with red buffers and a black funnel?
Yes!
Well, I know a train with all those features. Who's missing?
Who?
I'll whisper them to you.
It must be them. Thanks, Oliver. Let's go and tell Ryder. Ryder, we know who it is.
Great! Rocky can now reveal who it is. Let's see if you're right. It's Gator!
Yay! That was so much fun! I hope we can play again soon.